Good morning. It is your friend, CryptoFace. It's early in the morning. And after this video, we're gonna go to bed. But I feel like now is an important time. It's Tuesday. It's still early in the week. We have the rest of the week ahead of us. Last week, Tuesday, was, I believe, the bullish start of the week. I could be wrong, but I think I'm right. Last Monday didn't move that much. And this Monday, did it move? I don't really remember. My trades were kind of later in the night. So we're going to go over the charts because, and there's a couple things that I want to hit on that I believe are important. And so let's get after it. Boy, starting off here, what are we looking at? The weekly? Wow. We have a very tight, the trigger wave right here. I mean, this right here. The head and shoulders played out to the downside. And now we have our first time that we are under the zero line, getting a almost, hang on now. Is that confirmed? That is confirmed. That is last week's confirmation. This is last week's confirmation. And this is dangerously there's let me talk about the danger first. The danger is, man, boy, I tell you, this plays out, it's curving up, this plays out, and we don't get in on this action, even if it takes a little more time and then actually goes up like into new all-time highs. And we don't, you're not on that move. If I'm not on that move, oh boy, talk about a lot of regret. Or not, forget about it, whatever. Hopefully I'm there because I'll tell you, in the more immediate short term, we got mixed messages, and so we're gonna see how we're gonna trade this. I got events to go to this week. Tomorrow's like the last day. Then after that, I'm on planes and two-stepping and square dancing. So we looked at the weekly. I was thinking about, I was going to stream today. I hit a little short. I actually shorted this beautiful top, shorted the beautiful top, and dozed out at my desk. And the price went up here, down here, up here, and I woke up right here. Now, I woke up right here, and there's a reason why I'm telling you guys this. I woke up right here, and I looked at the minute time frames up to the 30-minute. Now, this is me just waking up. And by the way, I had two daydreams where during this time, things went really wrong. And I thought I saw the candles go up like this, and I was like, ugh, trying to fight myself out of my sleep in my chair. And that happened twice, by the way. I woke up and I was like, oh, okay, that's not real. All right. So that happened twice. And then let me go to a lower time frame so I can get these. So I'm not like the Secret Service lady, so I can get these timelines right. Okay. Shorted up here. Beautiful short. It was 68,180. 68,180 was my entry. Boy, I wanted to stream that, but I was just too tired, folks. Just too tired. Slept all the way through this. Had two dreams where shit hit the fan. Nope. That's wrong. We got the wrong timeline. Wrong timeline. Shorted 68 180. Fell asleep. Slept all the way through this. Had two bad dreams that weren't true. And slept through this. And then woke up right here. Now, at this moment, we had money flow coming up, RSIs coming up. Granted, we're on the 5-minute. And I went to the 15-minute, and then I went to the 30. The 15-minute was still green. Meh. Went to the 30. Saw a little curvature, and I was like, I'm going to get out of this. Got out of the trade, and I longed the top. I entered a little long at the top, and then it came down to like 67.3, 67.4. I killed it. And then I re-shorted 66.882, got out, took the money. So at the end of the day, I only made like 26,000 or 30,000. But that being said, the moral in the story is I made that play, and then after I exited the first short, I looked at the 2 hour and I was like, damn, we were right here. This timeline is correct. Boom, we were right here, and I was like, damn. I was like, man, I should have stayed in that shit. Why didn't I look at the other timelines? You know, I woke up and I was like, man, the 5-minute looks like it could pump. You know, and it, by the way, my eyes are chelinoed. I have chelinoed eyes, the opposite of cross-eyed. Chelino-eyed, where my eyes are spaced apart. I'm vulnerable in the morning. Everyone and everything has strengths and vulnerabilities. Dragons, according to Matthew McConaughey. According to Matthew McConaughey, dragons see great in the day and even better at night. But it's right in between when the air is gray, when there's neither sun nor moon. That's when the dragon is blind. Is that who she is? So my dragon weakness is just when I wake up in the mornings. When I wake up is when is one of my weaknesses. Or vulnerabilities, excuse me. My woman says I'm vulnerable when I wake up. That's why as soon as I wake up, she starts asking me fucking questions about the future. So I'm not in anything right now. Now, the 2 hour boy, I tell you, if you want that weekly to play out, we need this 2 hour. This money flow, while it is coming down and it looks weird, money is leaving. This looks different. This looks like before an event. And so, this money flow needs to come up, is what it needs to do. I think the money flow is going to do something like this. And this is after the event. So this is the 29th right here. The Nashville bullshit is from basically now until, tomorrow or Wednesday, here through here. Okay. And I'd be kind of surprised if the price pumped. I think there's going to be a good turnout at this event. The bigger the turnout, the bear shit is. So I'm kind of thinking, let's pull up the spider lines here. We're going to have to remap our timelines. Pull up the spider lines. Nice. I believe it's perfectly competent and perfectly probable. What I'm kind of thinking is most probable. We got some triggers kind of forming. The money flow is high. I'm thinking price can hopefully. This is what I'm hoping for too. I believe it's most probable, and I'm most faithful. I'm most faithful. Come on down. Come on and sell off down to the 64 spider line and the 62. And by the time my ass gets home, it's yippee dibby dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm thinking is hopefully going to play out. Money flow coming down, but it's inwardly curved. And so, sure, maybe it dips a little in the red, and then it's time to swerve. We're going to swerve. I really hope this happens. I really hope that this shit doesn't pump while I think I'm just going to get shit-faced the whole time at Nashville. It's the first trip in a while where my lady ain't coming with me. It's just going to be me and my bro. And I'll let you guys know what the fuck I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna just post up at a bar after I go to the whale thing one time, and I'll be like, "This is where I am." And I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna have a good time. Got a lot of people, including Trump. I'm bringing my Trump book. Terrific people. A lot of people. These people. I like it when Trump says it. These people. Terrific people. I think that's what's important. And now there was some other shit. Okay, there was one other thing I wanted to mention at least. Was this wick. And we're talking about immediate short-term price action. These wicks hit when we're in a bear trend. You know what I'm saying? And I believe during survival at the Nashville event, we're going to have, hopefully, a bear trend. And so there's probably some shorts you can squeeze in for the next couple days. Hopefully. And then it's time to take off again. The whitewater rapid analogy with Billy and Sally, if you didn't see it, if you haven't seen it, played out where we have this range that was our raft. Actually, this range. Really, it was this range right here. We were in this raft in Whitewater Rapids. Kelly fell over, and Kelly's a heavy lady. She's bigger than you, or about the same size. Maybe you don't go to the gym as much as you should. If you're trying to pull someone out of the water and moving water with waves and things in the face, you grab them by the life vest and you tell them, I'm going to push you down really quick. 1, 2, 3. You push them down, and buoyancy helps pull them back into the raft. So we buoyancied on this price action. We pulled back into the raft. Just as foreseen and expected in previous video. Please foreseen and expect bear movement until my ass is back home. Until I'm back home. Please, hopefully the price waits to pump until I'm home. Until we're all low. But I found my laptop charger. I don't know if it works. I'm hoping the laptop. I've lost my laptop charger the last couple trips, and so I haven't had a laptop on my past few trips. That's it, folks. I think that's it. Good night. I'm getting a new garage door installed tomorrow. So I can have some insulation. My garage door ain't got no insulation. My Ferrari cooks in there, man. I looked at a graph of my trading over the past 2 years, and it's crazy the pattern that it makes. It is a perfect, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down in 2-month cycles. And right now I'm at a up. You know, you should look at your, don't forget to look at your overall like P&L charts. You can learn some shit. What I learned is, damn, I'm at an up right now, so I'm not going to be forcing trades. And I mean, you're weakest in trading when you've had your bunch of wins. When you're up, pride becomes before the fall. You're a tall man after you make them trades, man. You can be a tall man after you make them trades, man. And the taller they are, the farther they fall. And so I'm trying not to fall. I just want to grow even more tall. So I thought that was important. I'm holding this microphone like I'm on stage. I kind of like doing this. When I put it here, I keep falling asleep on it and breaking the thing. But I got a nice strong thing latched on here, and I got a big cushion on this microphone, so it's kind of nice. I get to just fall asleep, and I'm sleeping on this cushion without my hitting the desk, without having a J and a K on my forehead. All right, folks. Peace.